everyone, this is Delia from TM Machinery. When grinding on the floor, we hope our customers can use less labor to create highest efficiency just through their intelligent machines to do the jobs, not rely just on the people. So today, we want to introduce our remote machine and the vacuum machine for you. Firstly, I want to introduce our small vacuum for you. It has two special features. The first one is that you can see this is a simple remote. You can turn on or turn off this vacuum in a long distance. So people don't need to close to the vacuum to turn on or turn off this vacuum. The second feature is that is automatic cleaning. It has automatic filters inside, so you don't need to use your hand to clean it by itself. It can clean it by itself. Okay, you can see, we can show you how to turn on this vacuum by remote. Okay, and turn off this vacuum. Good. Then we want to introduce our remote machine. Actually, in the market, there are so many different kinds of remote controller, while our remote machine also have two features. The first one is that this machine can form its rod by itself. So when you do the large grinding, it can grinding by itself, automatic grinding. The second feature is that this kind of machine can do the grinding, go forward, and at the same time to go left and to go right at the same time. So it can increase the flatness of the floor. Okay, now let's invite our engineer to operate this remote machine to you.
用品质诠释我们的价值，指引我们决心，希望就在前方。我们拥有共同的梦想，用完美诠释我们的服务，指引我们决心，希望就在前方。共同的进步，我们携手并进，团结协作，多美，一直在前方。
If you want to know more information, please check our official YouTube link, TM Machinery, or call me. Thank you.